EVERUN's development, we moved to a larger and larger factory, and our sales quantity grows up fast. In order to serve our customers better, we set up 2 overseas branches company. In 2014, we established EVERUN Europe in Germany, and EVERUN Australia was established in 2018. They are our spare parts warehouse and technical training center.
Yes, and we also have established 2 factories, and which one is in QingZhou City.
Yes.
And the main produce is wheel loader, telescopic loader, and forklift, and it covers 13,000 square meters. And another is in Qingdao City, and the main produce is telehandler and excavator.
Yes.
Tomorrow we also bring our friends to see our Qingdao factory. And Polly, could you please tell us our currently sales quantity?
Sure. Last year, our sales quantity is 2,500 units. This year, we plan 3,500 units. After 1 month, we can know the real data.
That's pretty cool. We're also looking forward to your good results.
Sure. Actually, in the mini wheel loader field, from the export custom data, we are at the top 1.
That's absolutely right.
Yes.
And we're also very proud of our such great progress.
Yes.
And what about our main market in the world?
Our main markets are in Europe, Australia, and North America. Also, in other countries, we have customers. Now, our machines can be seen working in more than 16 countries. What's more, we only do the export business, so we can guarantee our distributor right.
Yes, and as we all know, we have different certifications in different areas.
Yes.
So what certifications in our products?
For European countries, we have the CE certification. It's a real certification and issued by Germany TÜV Rheinland. I can show you our certification, and on the TÜV website, you can search our CE number to check it. Now it's our certification. You can see this is TÜV, issued by TÜV Rheinland, and our company, Qingdao EVERUN Machinery. The next is our testing report. So you can trust us. It's a real certification. And for North American customers, we know the most important is the APA4 engine, but please don't worry about it. We have it for almost all models.
Yes, it is really reliable.
Yes.
And as we all know, we have such large sales quantity, and we have so many customers groups. And how to guarantee our good after sales service? And as we all know, it is a very important thing in our machinery industry.
Yes, for after sales service, we have a complete. As we know, it is one of the most important factors for machines. So now I'd like to introduce our after-sales team supervisor, Mr. Jack, to show you in details. Now, welcome, Mr. Jack.
Hello, everyone. This is Jack. As EVERUN after-sales service team supervisor, it's my great honor to have this opportunity to attend this training show. EVERUN after-sales service team was built up at the very beginning of EVERUN brand established. All of the related team members, including general manager, factory engineer, factory coordinator, office after-sales senior specialists, have a strong sense of customer-oriented service, focusing on enhancing customers' experience for both agents and customers around the world. The rapid response and high accuracy instruction on addressing each customer's question is one of the core weapons compared with other peer brands through the market. So far, we have established 2 overseas branch offices in Germany and Australia, which can directly provide technical support as well as spare parts replacement service. The 2 branch offices greatly facilitate agents and customers when they face, urgent needs on the machine. The main responsibilities of everyone's after-sales service teams are, including but not limited to the following. Number one, troubleshooting all customers' questions within 8 to 12 hours via multiple channels, including WeChat, email, WhatsApp, and other communication tools. Number two, provide logic and accurate instructional procedure to our customers. Send necessary videos and photos to make the procedure or instruction visualized. Number three, send out confirmed warranty part or purchasing part to our customers by DHL within 2 working days. Number four, always be full of enthusiasm and be patient to our customers' questions. Number five, closely coordinate with Australia and Germany branch office to optimize solution scheme for agents and customers. Number six, immediately forward customers' valuable suggestion and feedback to our factories for improvement and keep tracking the result periodically. Number three, analyze and propose those spare parts that are easily wear and tear to our customers so they can prepare this part for stock. Number eight, the last one, periodically form inside reports for the agent so that it can help them better understand the service level, service condition. All in all, EVERUN after-sales service team will continuously stick to the philosophy as always, creating value for our customers. EVERUN runs together with you is not just a motto, but a strong faith which has already deeply planted into our hearts in each team member's ideologies. Thank you, everyone. Let's turn back the camera back to the sales team.
Thanks, Jack. So we can see EVERUN really has an excellent after-sales service. So please, customer, you can trust us. Now, I think you know better about EVERUN and can't wait to see our factory inside. So let's come to see the factory in this way. This is our factory office building. Okay, go in this way. Now in this factory, we have 150 employees, and the department, later we go to see it. Okay, first we go to the second floor. This is our meeting room, and this is our general manager office. Our meeting room. If customer visit us, we will have meet in this.
Yes.
And now is the marketing department. And this one is our chairman office. Okay, let's go to the first floor. Please follow our camera. Okay, in this way. This is our technology department. And this one finance department. And here is general office. So now, this is our after-sale department. And our quality inspection department. As we know, it is important for machines. And research and design department. Okay, these are our departments. So now we go to the factory internal.
Yes, I think our customer can't wait to see our
Yes,
factory.
I
So
think
let's
so.
check it out.
Yes, I think so. So in front is our spare parts stock area. It's spare parts stock area. Every kind of spare parts are put in specified position and with its label. Let's see it. Spare parts label. And in the future, we will make the QR code so we can check in the system about its quality details.
And friends, do you have the spare parts warehouse like that? We recommend you to do like that because
Yes.
it's more useful and more convenient.
Yes. So now at the left side is our production area. This line is automatic production line for our standard configuration
Yes.
machines. You can see every worker is on this stand and they will for its task. First put the frame, then engine, torque water, gearbox,
Yes.
and step by step.
Yes. And Polly, one question please.
Yes.
How many loading capacity in our EVERUN's product we can supply?
We can offer loading capacity from 0.6 tons to 60 tons and the model from ER06 to ER60. Now we have 4 series wheel loaders, ER series, ER4 series, ER4T series, and Echo series.
Thanks.
So we can see the complete production line.
Yes.
In this area, it's a small assembly area,
Yes.
such as engine connect to gearbox. So we assemble in this area and put in the automotive production line.
Yes.
You can see the worker is connected.
Yes.
So now let's see the whole production line. Here is the axle area. Let's see the special configurations machine production line. For the special configurations such as Euro 5 engine, APE4 engine, we will produce in this area also the telescopic loader.
Yes.
Yes.
That means we
Yes.
can make.
Now we can see our worker is produced.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Hello.
say hi to
Yes.
our customers.
Yes.
And that means we can make our product customers. We
Yes.
also can according the customer's requirement to do this.
Sure. If you have any requirements, any demands, your special design, you can tell us, our engineer, because we have a research and design department, our engineer can make for you.
Yes.
This
And,
is
and what is this tab?
a telescopic loader, model ER 2500.
Yes.
Its loading capacity is 2.5 tons, and maximum lifting height can be 5 meters.
Yes.
So in this area are our cabin.
Yes. And what kind of cabin?
It's ropes and Forbes cabin.
Yes.
We have the certification, and we can show you.
If that means this will be more safety
Yes.
and will protect our driver, our customer.
Yes, sure. And we have patent of our cabin.
Yes.
In this area, also the special machines. As we know now, for European countries,
Yes.
most customers ask us for the Euro 5 engine.
Yes.
So we put in this area to produce.
Just like Euro 5 engine, EPA 4 engine.
Yes.
And we will according our customers' requirements.
Yes. Now I'd like to show you one function. It's the tipping cabin. Let's see the tipping cabin. So it is much suitable for maintain the machine
Yes.
and check the oil tube
Yes.
just with this tipping function.
Yes.
So please follow us to see more details. In the left side is our component stock area. This is engine hood, and also
And the engine hood with new material.
yes,
And
stronger.
and it have better dispatching.
Yes, stronger and low noise.
Yes. It's really good.
Yes, and this is our hydraulic oil tank and diesel tank. You can see the steel plate. We use the patent type, so it is much stable. And next is our axle
Yes.
gearbox. Our gearbox.
The gearbox.
Yes. It's our tire.
And Polly,
Yes.
I see lots of different kinds of types
Yes.
tires in
Yes.
here, and and we know our customers from different areas, so they have different working environment.
Yes.
So on what working environment means the tires will suit for.
Normally for the agricultural tire, customers will use in the farmland.
Farm, yes.
Yes, and the construction tire use the working construction in the sites.
Yes.
Also winter tire and grass tire.
Yes.
Winter tire, now is the winter time, so many snow. So in the snow road, we can turn to the winter tire. Also, the grass tire can work well in the golf course.
Yes. This also means our products are well used in different in that industry.
Yes. Here is our axle. This is wheel reducer axle. Normally for larger model, we use the wheel reducer axle.
Yes.
And for the small loader,
Yes.
we use the Isuzu axle.
Yes.
So different model choose different type axles, then it can work well.
Yes.
Now, cabin floor. For the cabin floor, we use the laser cutting machine.
Yes.
Now you can see there are different holes, the square, different shape, but we use the laser cutting machine.
Yeah.
It is with setted wheel the process, so the dimension are same. So
Yeah.
please don't worry about it.
And I think later we will see the laser cutting machine.
Yes, sure. Also for some cabin we put in this area.
Yes.
streamlined,
Yes.
suitable for the European and North American customer
Yes.
appearance.
Yes.
Most important, the material we use the iron powder,
Yes.
so it is really stronger. Maybe from the whole appearance, it looks same, the same size, but we are much stronger because we are with the iron powder material, but others maybe
Yes.
sand, so
I
it's
understand.
light.
I see.
Yes.
That means it will be more stable when working.
Yes. Now there are our oil stock area.
Yes.
We have hydraulic oil,
Yeah.
transmission oil, engine oil, and diesel oil. Can be suitable, especially for the diesel. It can be suitable for the different weather. Now we know that it's the winter time. Okay, dear friends, if you have any question, please you can leave messages. Then we
Yeah.
have colleague can reply you.
Yes. And friends, please follow us and leave your information and message, and our colleague will reply you sooner.
Yes. So now let's go to see our printing room. In the front is our printing room.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you
Yeah.
know, for our machines,
Yes.
we print the spare parts
Yeah.
firstly and then assemble our machines. In this way, the machine is waterproof and rust-proof.
Oh yes, I understand. And but I know so many, but I know many many Chinese manufacturers.
Yes,
And they will paint the whole wheel loader after assembling.
yes,
Yes, and it's very hard. It's too hard to paint the details like every part's connection.
yes,
So it's very easy to be rusty.
yes, yes. So with our the spare parts printing first and then assembling, it will not rust.
Yes.
Now we can see the arm after printing. These are some parts just finished printing we put here and later put outside for dry.
Yeah.
And also there are the frames, rear frame, front frame. After it's dry, we put here
Yes.
for stock. So you can see we have many frames in this area.
Yes.
And so please don't worry about the production time.
Yes.
So now also they are lifting arm. Penetrating put here.
This is lifting arm.
Yes. Stronger lifting arm.
Yes. More wider ply.
Yes. In this area, just attachments that are ready to load in the container. So in the front is our loading area. We just finished loading one container.
Yes. You can see every attachment and
Yes.
machines are packed up very well.
Yes,
And normally we can load 10 containers in a day.
really good. So now let's come to the welding area.
Yes. And I can see in this area, in the welding area, the workers are very busy.
Yes,
And
because now it's peak season.
yes, yes. And we see 10, we can see there is 10 working positions.
Yes,
Yes. And our worker is full capacity.
yes. Normally we weld the attachments and quick hitch by ourselves. And you see now we weld by hand, but we have purchased the robot welding machine.
Yes, that's
So in the future, we will use the robot welding machine.
yes.
It can save much time and
Yes.
also improve the precision.
Yes. Also, will improve our working efficiency.
Yes, sure. This is our standard bucket. You can see our worker is welding. It is a larger capacity
Yes.
standard bucket.
Yes.
And also customer, if you have any requirements for the attachments or you need different attachments, you can tell us because we have attachment designer. Just send a sample picture, we can design for you.
Yes. Yes. Our customer also could tell us what function do they need,
Yes,
and our designer will design for you.
yes, sure. Normally, most customers choose the attachments such as stand bucket,
Yes.
pallet box,
Yes.
snow bucket,
Yes.
snow plow, especially in the winter time, use the snow plow, we-type snow plow and a snow bucket with wings to clean the snow.
Yes. And the most important thing is all the attachment is produced by ourselves.
Yes, sure. So it can help you save the cost.
Yes.
After welding, we will make a grinding.
Yes. Grinding
So-
area.
Yes, so let's see the grinding area.
Yes.
There is special worker is responsible for grinding. After grinding,
And Polly, could you please show our customer our details?
yes, after grinding, look here. It cuts smoothly and will not be scratched.
Yes.
So it is much smoothly.
And the edge is not sharp. It
Yes.
not will hurt our
Yes.
customer.
The surface is smooth.
Yes.
So let's go to another workshop. And their
And-
cylinder just finished painting.
Yes. And we can summarize. The process is grading, polish, plating, and sand blades, and primer painting, and putty, finishing coat, and lacquer varnish.
Yes.
Everything is our detail.
Yes. So let's go to another workshop.
Okay, let's go. Another workshop.
Yes. We go in this way.
Okay.
Go straight
Okay.
and turn right.
Yes. And Polly,
Yes.
in this area,
Yes.
I can see the different colors, orange and yellow.
Yes.
Yes.
We can make different color according to customer requirements. If you have any demands, just tell us your favorite color number, so we can make for you.
Yes. And are these machines ready to ship?
Yes, these machines are ready to load and already finished the testing.
Yes.
And we have strict testing process.
Yes.
There are five steps. First is incoming material inspection, such as engine,
Yes.
axle, gearbox, other components, and spare parts. And the second step is inspection during assembling.
Yes.
And the third is inspection after assembly.
Yes.
Fourth step is test again before shipment. What's more, when our distributors receive the container, we will check again before ship to the end users.
Yes, and that is how we test our machine.
Yes,
It's very strict process.
sure. We must control our quality view.
Yes, and we can see so many loaders here because
Yes, they are ready to load, but now the container space is very serious to
Yes.
book. So
It's
we
too hard.
just put here, and after a few days, we will load them.
Yes, but just in the few days.
Yes.
I think.
So let's go into the workshop.
Okay, this another workshop.
Yes, this is for steel plate cutting area
Yes.
because we cut the steel plates by ourselves.
Yes.
This is the flame cutting machine. Our worker is setting the program. For flame cutting machine, we used to cut the thickness plates, normally
Yes.
about 30 millimeters.
Yes.
Let's show how it works. Please wait just a moment because we need to adjust the program.
Yes. And at that moment, our friends, please don't forget leave your message
Sure.
and leave your information.
Yes.
Because this is online show.
Yes. Just a moment.
And our worker will show you guys how to cutting the steel plate.
Yes, we can see the plate, the thickness is really thin.
Yes,
I think
it's really thin.
5 millimeter, 50 millimeters, I think. Oh, nice work. Okay, friends. First, let's see another cutting machine is laser cutting machine. Let's wait the flame. For the thin thickness, we use the laser cutting machine. With this, it will have a high precision and the surface will be much smoother.
Yes.
Also, if you use a laser, the welding will be also stable,
Yes.
especially the connection of metal plates.
I see. I see.
Now our laser cutting machine is work. So we can see the precision. The surface, the cutting surface is smooth.
Yes.
Here is a drilling machine for drilling the hole. It can drilling the also thin plate and also thick plate. You can see it's working now.
And Polly,
Yes.
I think in the future, all the robots will replace the human.
Yes. And near the cutting area, at the right side is the welding area. So we can see the left side cutting area and the right side welding area.
Yes.
It is an automatic production line.
Yes.
Because for the frames, lifting arm, we went by ourselves. And after welding, we put here. After welding, it's polish blasting.
Yes. And you can see the whole workshop. The whole workshop is welding and carting.
Yes.
Carting area.
Yes.
And each area is very close.
Yes.
So it's very.
After cutting, then put here.
Yes.
Welding.
Yes.
And then move to the polish blasting machine.
Yes. And it's very easy to transport.
Yes. It's our polish blasting machine. So we can see the attachment finish the polish. It has both.
Yes. The service.
The surface is both.
Yeah.
So now let's go to the next workshop.
Okay, let's move.
Okay, in this way.
And Polly, about this
Yes.
workshop
Yes.
and what types do they produce?
We mainly produce the telescopic loader
Yes.
and the electric machines.
Yes.
Also, our Echo series wheel loader
Yes.
we put in this. Okay,
Oh, watch out.
thank you. And it's our oil tube production area. We use the high pressure oil tube.
Yes.
And also we have a pressure checking equipment. Now our worker is checking the oil tube.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the machine.
Let's see some details.
Yes, sure. Let's see the. Okay. So we have a equipment to check the pressure. So it will not leak in the oil.
Yeah.
These are high quality tube cover. You can see, you cannot. It's really stable.
Yeah.
High quality. So let's see the machine.
And Polly,
Yes.
we can see so many loaders here.
Yes.
And what is this type?
This is an electric loader, and the loading capacity can make to the 0.5 ton
Yes.
because it is electricity, so it has no pollution
Yes.
and can work well in the workshop, also in the customer yard.
Yes. And it will suitable for every narrow working environment.
Sure.
And it's unbelievable. It can have such load capacity, but have a so small size.
Yes, because it has a high capacity lifting cylinder and also the high flow working time.
Yes.
Especially the design, we make a special
Yes.
front supporting.
For balance.
Yes. Sure. This one small telescopic loader.
Yes.
Its lifting capacity 1 ton, and lifting height can be 3.5 meters.
Yes.
As I said before, the lifting height can be 3.5 meters.
Yes, I can see the big arm. It can extend too high.
Yes, sure.
So it's very easy to walk in the air.
Yes. Suitable for the working requirements that needs the especially for this machine we use the originally imported Italy hydrostatic system.
You mean that's hydrostatic transmission system?
Yes, hydrostatic.
Not hydraulic transmission system.
Yes, no. Hydrostatic and originally imported from Italy.
And it will have better performance than the normal hydraulic system.
Yes, sure. Also, in this workshop, we assemble our Eco Series wheel loaders. You can see for each component, we also put in specified area. The cylinder, the frame, and the spare part shaft. Now our worker is checking the machine. As we said, after assembling, we will check it.
Yes. Every pin.
Yes, every pin. We make it tight its wheel.
Yes.
Here is EVERUN sticker. You can see we make a high quality sticker. Also, the battery we use the famous brand battery. Our 1000 telescopic loader is assembling the hydrostatic.
Also hydrostatic.
Yes, hydrostatic.
You can see our workers are focused on his job.
Let's see the components of this machine.
Okay.
The engine, we use the Kubota. It's Euro 5 engine.
Yes.
Standard engine Euro 5.
Yes.
Oh, let's see. Let's see the sticker.
Okay.
Kubota.
And it is original import.
Yes. Thanks to its small size,
Yes.
it can work well in the narrow environment.
Yes. Like yard work.
Yes.
Like garden.
Yes, sure. Okay.
Watch out.
Then we can see our Eco Series machines already finished.
Yes.
We put here.
Yes. With time goes by, our introduction.
Our Eco Series wheel loader. Normally we export to the Southeastern market,
Yes.
South America, also in Russia. Most countries have no engine emission standard.
Yes.
So customers prefer this Eco Series
Yes.
wheel loaders.
So we will special design for different area.
Yes.
And they have different regulation, like emission regulation.
Yes.
Like something else. So
Sure.
we design for them.
Yes. For different countries, if customer has their preferred
Yes.
requirements,
Yes.
their demand, so we send according to their local requirements.
Yes.
Okay, then the above is introduction of our factory,
Yes.
and hope it can help know us better.
Yes.
And most important, thanks
Yes.
for spending the time with us. And remember, if you have any question, please leave message, and our colleague will reply you.
Yes.
But please please
Yes.
don't leave our live room, because next 1 hour, our
Yes.
colleague.
Our colleague
Yes.
Sue and Sylvia, and this is not end,
Yes.
friends. And our colleague Sue and Sylvia will introduce our brand new ER412T well loader.
Yes,
and
it's a new model.
Yes, is that a new model?
Yes, so we want to show you in
Yes.
details. We believe you will like it, and it will have a good market.
Yes, and as you see, we also cannot wait to see the brand new design appearance.
Yes.
And we also hope it will have rich certifications, rich configurations on it.
Yes. So let's come to find Sylvia and Sue, and let's see our new model ER412T.
Okay.
Okay.
So the next step is Sue and Sylvia.
Yes, and I will take the microphone to Sylvia and Sue.
Okay.
And firstly, we like to show you our factory, the whole outside view.
Yes, and it covers 13,000 square meters.
Yes, sure. In this area, also we'll put some machines
Yes.
that are
And,
ready to load.
You can see this is building. This is our new workshop. Another workshop is building, but we will use it in the near future.
Yes. Okay, friends, I will take the microphone to my colleagues. Please don't leave our live room.
Hello, Sue. Hello, Sylvia. Next step is for you.